Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got my Allure Beauty Box for May. Camille's ears are right here, so let's see what's in here. It's very lightweight. I did see some spoilers, but let's see what's in here. I did cut the seal, and actually before we do that, let me show you what I'm wearing. I have on my lips, I wanted red to match the Allure Beauty Box label. So I have on my Huda Beauty lip contour, it says, and it is in the color Heartbreaker. I should know that. Hey, look at me. Camille's look at me. And my MAC Lippy. This is the one. It is. I should know this also. Oh, what is that? Ruby Woo. Ruby Woo. It always takes me a minute to figure that out. Ruby Woo. Okay, that's that. And then on my eyes, I have Wander Beauty's. This is Sweet Escape, and this is a stunning palette. Beautiful, beautiful palette. I love it. And let's see what's in the Allure Beauty Box. Camille, y'all right there, love? Of course, she's right in my way, y'all. I did break the seal. There we go. Okay. So when you open the box, it's red inside, white on the outside. It has an ad for Father's Day, for graduation. The GQ box for men. Very nice. And then they also have in the member store, you can buy things. If you're a member, you can buy things in the store at great discounts, and they're showing a big box there. They have several boxes already made, and they have individual items as well. And I didn't notice this before, but this box says that we care about the planet. This box is fully recyclable and made from 100% recycled materials. I use it all the time to send out giveaways. And here is our brochure. It says Happy Mother's Day. And there is a little, see, I don't know if this means anything, y'all, because it's always the same. It says 0524, which that changes. Oh, so May 24, VB. So mine always says V like very and B like berry. So anyway, here it is, and they're saying to get an Allure Beauty gift certificate for your mom, gift card, and this would make a great gift for your mom. It really would. All right, so let's see what's in here. I do know a little bit of what's in here. Like I said, I looked at the spoilers. So let me see. Camille. She's right in my way, y'all. I like to, let's see. All right, this little book tells us the editors that work for Allure magazine, they like to pick things that they think we should try. So this says, Elizabeth Siegel is the Deputy Beauty Director, and she says, as the weather warms up, I'm looking forward to slowing down. And while I'm busy dreaming about summer vacation mode, my beauty products are ramping up to ready me for the season ahead. Inside your May Allure Beauty Box, you have some hardworking products, an innovative hair mask from hairstylist Chris Appleton that delivers the glossy gloss hair he's known for, an Elemis eye cream that does it all, hydrates, smooths, and brightens, a multitasking body wash, a soft Bloom Effects tint. Well, I don't like to read all that stuff. Sorry. Let's just go on. All right, so the first item in here is the Elemis, which I have this, y'all. I haven't used it yet, but I love anything Elemis. Camille, I just have to move you a little bit. Oh, she gets mad left. She's leaving. Goodbye. Okay. This is the Elemis Peptide Eye Recovery Cream. I do believe I have this in my arsenal, and I just haven't opened it yet because I have others. I have 2 eye creams that I'm using right now, so I need to use those up before I open another. This is $50 value. This is full size. A new favorite way to start the day. This cream leaves under eyes brighter and plumper. Okay, so this is reviving eye cream. So I guess it's a daytime thing. I usually just use eye cream at night. So this box, what's inside is a tube. And I'm pretty sure this has, and oh no, it doesn't. Well, first of all, it doesn't have a seal, but I thought it was going to have one of those applicators, which would have been nice, but it doesn't. It doesn't. Oh well. It says lightly apply to eye contour area. avoid direct contact with eyes, of course, you know. So it's pretty too. Elemis has pretty packaging. This just might be the perfect under eye moisturizer thanks to its creamy yet lightweight texture and namesake peptides. Peptide 4 eye recovery cream, sorry. The hydrating formula sinks right in, while the peptides, short chains of amino acids, go to work for a treatment that helps with dark circles, lines around the eyes, and puffiness. So that is the Elemis product, which is always welcome. Always love the Elemis product. Next up is, what is this? This is the Chris Appleton product. This is Color Wow Money Mask. It says money, but it says on here Color Wow. Yeah, Chris Appleton, Color Wow Money Mask. Hydrates and strengthens all hair types. It's original, it's innovative, and it's transformative. This is 50 mLs. A full size is $45. It would be 215 mLs. So this is a deluxe sample. It's quite, to me, I thought it was a full size. It's quite a big deluxe sample to me. This innovative hair mask was made in collaboration with hairstylist Chris Appleton, who is known for creating his super shiny signature glass hair for celebrities such as J-Lo, Kim Kardashian, blah, 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 blah. I don't know if I'll use it. It's good to use on, you can use it on colored hair, and heavily hot tooled damaged hair. So I'm not sure. We'll see if I ever use that. I don't know that I will. Next is this. I've had this before, haven't I? Maybe not. This is Bloom Effects Tulip Tint Lip and Cheek Balm. This packaging is so pretty. See the tulips on there? Very pretty packaging. This looks like it's probably full size. It is $29 for this. This is why you'll love it. Glowy as heck. There's the color. This tint provides a wash of color that perks up complexions in a way that looks totally natural. Like you've just taken a quick stroll on a beautiful day, rather than spend the last few hours answering email. Okay, so you add a couple of dots to your cheekbones and use your fingertips to spread the coral shade out towards your temples. This is pretty full. It's right up to here. You can see through the container. This is really pretty. It's really pretty. I do have some liquid blushes, but the problem is blush lasts me forever. Does it last you forever? So how much blush does one person need? I don't need that much. And I get it, a lot of it, so that might end up in a giveaway. This I'm interested in because, oh yeah, this is a perfume. This is Vilhelm Parfumerie Poets of Berlin. This is $175 for 50 mLs, and we have here, it doesn't have, 5 mLs. So this is $17.50. Let's see what it's about. This perfume proves vanilla doesn't have to be so vanilla. The scent has all the warmth and comfort of a vanilla fragrance for sure, but with a crisply sweet kick from lemon and blueberry. That sounds really nice. It says orris and sandalwood. Keep the overall effect grounded, not pastry-like. Okay? Mist it onto your pulse points for a cozy vanilla tinged hug. All right, this is cute. It's super cute. Let's see. It smells good. I'm gonna take off my bracelet. It's hard to tell though, you know, until you get it on you. Whoops, I just spritzed it into the air. I like it. I like it. It does, it reminds me, you know, I like when a perfume reminds me of something. What, I can't tell you, but it reminds me of somebody's perfume. I don't think I know anybody that wears this Poets of Berlin, but I like this. You know, I don't like a lot of perfumes, but this I like. I like it. I smell a lot going on in here, and it smells just like it smells good. It smells like what a perfume should smell like. It doesn't smell to anything. I like it. Okay, Camille, you keep on walking, love. Keep walking. Go on through. Next up, we have this. This is Natura Ecos brand. We've had this brand before, but not this product. Oh, this is an exfoliating shower gel. You can, I don't know if you can see it, but there's little, like it looks like pepper in there. So there's some exfoliating going on in there. It's $18 for 185 ml. So this is just a sample. This is 30 mLs. And this is just in time for warmer weather. This gentle exfoliating body wash makes legs and arms soft and smooth while you cleanse. An easy and rewarding way to multitask. I don't think it's sealed. I was gonna smell it. It might be, no, it's sealed. I can't smell it anyway. I probably wouldn't be able to smell it because this perfume is really good. See, I like perfumes that have a spice to them. And this does. It's not, you know, I don't like too much floral. Okay, and then last but certainly not least is the Masky Midnight Hand Mask. Oh, hand mask. I like Masky products, and most of their products look just like this, except they might be different color tubes. I've seen pink, I've seen yellow, you know, like a cream color. This one's purple. It says nourishing, firming, hydrating, revitalizing, anti-aging. It usually says all of that stuff, but this is a hand mask. So this is full size and it's $55. Whoops, did I just do that? I'm sorry. This says this might be called a hand mask and it certainly lives up to the hydrating promise, but that doesn't mean the formula is too heavy to wear during the day. In fact, it smells so good with a subtle scent that reminds us of a field full of lavender that you'll want to keep applying it after you wake up. Okay. Use it overnight as a deeply moisturizing hand mask or as your hand cream anytime. It has a seal. I do like lavender and I do like Masky, so I really like that. I'm not going to take the seal off because I probably wouldn't be able to smell it, like I said, with the perfume. So we have the fabulous Elemis eye cream. Fabulous, you know. The Masky full size. These are full size. My nose is itching with Camille walking through, and this is full size. The Tulip Tint. So my understanding about Allure is $25 a month. That includes your shipping. If you get it for a year, it's less expensive. I don't know if they do 3 months, but I think they do 6 months, I think. But my understanding is they promise you 3 full size, and then you'll get 6 products at least. And they promise you 3 full size, and then the others will be deluxe samples. So we do have our 3 full sizes. Look at all the purple this month. And then our deluxe samples. And sometimes you get more than 3 full size, and sometimes you get more than 6 products. And these are our deluxe samples. The body scrub, the hair glossy stuff, and the perfume. So this was a really nice box. I really like it. I love Elemis. Elemis, they could have just sent me this and I would have been happy. I would have been probably saying, where's the rest of my stuff? But I would have been happy with just this. I love Elemis, y'all. So that's it for my Allure for May. And I think it's a great deal, y'all. If you can, they used to have a great deal like on Black Friday. And that's how I buy mine by the year, on the great deal. But they have, I haven't looked at it recently, but they usually have some sort of something you can save $10 or $15. You can sign up under me, and I'm supposed to get some points or something, but a few of y'all have told me to sign up under me and it hasn't happened. That's okay. I don't really care. But if you can save money, save money. I don't know if you sign up under me, if you get $10 off or $15 off for your first month. I think that's usually how they do it. If you sign up for longer, look for a great deal. They have been, the last couple times I've checked, their yearly price is a great deal. So you might save $5 or $10, maybe $15 if you wait for Black Friday, but maybe they're not going to do that. So you have to wait that long, and all these months go by with this fabulous stuff passing you by. So, you know, check it out and see if you like it. And thanks for stopping by. I'll take pictures of this and put it on Instagram. And y'all count your blessings. Good to see you. Bye-bye.